If you see Zach Nolan, please dial 911.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The emergency alert system has issued an evacuation emergency for Vancouver, British Canada. At 2 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a fire was reported in downtown Vancouver, British Canada. The fire was caused from a creature from the game Hotel Story from Roblox. The creature has been identified as Limbo. Limbo has a special ability to burn stuff with his fireballs, and Limbo is also working with the person Zach Nolan, who is destroying and also killing people in Bismarck, North Dakota. Both the US and Canada will send the military to defeat Zach Nolan in North Dakota and Limbo in British Columbia, and if that does not work, they will send missiles to defeat Zach Nolan in North Dakota and Limbo in British Canada. While evacuating, please bring with you food, water, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio, and bring your loved ones too. While evacuating, please tie a yellow towel around your mailbox to let the civil authorities that you evacuated successfully. Stay tuned to more updates on this upcoming situation.
Copy 724, roger. Center maintain 2000.
Center maintain 2074.
What the fuck is that shit?
All clear, I repeat, all clear. The US and Canada military have successfully defeated Zach Nolan and Limbo. You may return to regular programming.